presenting a pre-owned 2019 Honda Insight. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a one-speed direct-drive transmission. This Honda has less than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 55 miles per gallon in the city and 49 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.